Hi everyone! We are going to draw a random cute anime girl today. I will show you how I draw everything including these eyes and head. Alright, let's get started. Start with drawing a circle. It's okay if the circle is not perfect because we are just using this as a guideline. Draw a vertical straight line down the center of the circle. This helps us to check if both sides of the face are symmetrical. Next, draw a horizontal line across. I usually draw it slightly below the middle, but you can experiment with it. The next part here is actually like a trapezium. It is easier when we break it down into shapes. And as you can see, the last part here is like a triangle. Congrats, you have a basic face structure done. A girl's neck is usually thinner than a boy's, so make sure not to draw it too thick. The placement of the eyes is usually at the 50% mark of the entire face. I think we can all agree that it is hard to draw symmetrical eyes. That's why it's important to draw some light guidelines like this to help us. The eyes are around one eye apart, but it can vary a little based on the style and character design. I usually start with the upper eye line as this helps me visualize better if the eye positions are fine. Next, we'll draw a circle for the iris. You can experiment with different iris sizes. Sometimes you want a smaller iris for older or cooler characters. As we are drawing a cute girl today, I am going for a moderately big iris. If you're like me who is bad at drawing symmetrically, you can use a ruler to mark the bottom guideline too. If you notice, we are drawing both eyes part by part together instead of finishing one entire eye first. This helps to make both eyes look more symmetrical. But yeah, it is always very tempting to finish drawing one eye before moving to the other eye. You can still do that though if you are already good at it or if you are confident. The upper eye line is always thicker than the bottom eye line. The angle and the shape of the upper eye line make a big difference to how your character looks. Notice that I chose a downward sloping upper eye line as I want my character to look more innocent. Add a light line for the double eyelid. I also like to add bottom eyelashes around the eye like this. If you are satisfied with the eyes now, you can start to darken the strokes. We will add some more eyelashes for the upper eyelid too. Let's also add some highlights on the iris. I'll draw the pupil now. It can be a circle or an oval shape. I'll just be doing the same for the other eye now. Just remember to keep checking that both eyes look similar. Recently, I like to add some eye details like this. I'll just be darkening the upper eyelid and some of the strokes to sharpen the eyes. Next, I am drawing gentle downward sloping eyebrows for an innocent look. The ears are usually aligned with the eye positions. When it comes to the nose, in general, younger characters or cute characters have their nose at a higher position compared to older characters. We can just draw a simple small mouth for a cute look. Now we have the bulk of the face done. I hope yours is going well too. I will mark the point of hair origin here. This helps to remind us how the hair should flow. Use light and fast strokes to make the pencil strokes more natural looking. If you want to learn more about how to draw anime hair in detail and the foundations of drawing anime hair, please check out my other anime hair tutorials. Links in description below. I will draw some side hair now. There are different types of side hair, and I will choose a long and slightly wavy side hair for her. Same for the other side. I will start to refine the face shape. I'm being extra careful here and I tried not to draw too hard because I think the jawline is quite crucial to how pretty or handsome your character looks. It might seem easy to draw this part, but sometimes if the angle is just slightly off, it can make the face look much less prettier. So only when I'm satisfied with the face shape, I will darken the strokes. Let's draw the rest of the hair now. Always leave some space between the outline of the hair and the scalp so that the hair looks thicker and fluffier. I'll be giving her long wavy hair. One tip to drawing hair is to always make the hair strokes slightly uneven. I like drawing these simple collarbones. I'm going to draw a very simple top for her. You'll be quite relaxed from here onwards as I will be mostly darkening the strokes. Did you manage to draw something? Let me know in the comments if this tutorial works for you. Thank you and see you in the next video.